Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. The evaluation of bathroom design has sparked innovative ideas for toilet paper holders, transforming this often overlooked accessory into a functional and aesthetic element. Embracing creativity, designers have ventured beyond traditional wall-mounted holders. One innovative concept introduces magnetic or adhesive holders that can be attached to various surfaces, offering flexibility in placement. Another idea incorporates eco-friendly materials, producing holders crafted from bamboo or recycled materials, promoting sustainability. The integration of smart technology has given rise to an automated dispensers, ensuring a touchless and hygienic experience. Designers have also explored artistic avenues with sculpture holders that double as decorative pieces, turning a practical necessary into a conversion starter space saving options like recessed or wall niche holders cater to small bathrooms, optimizing functionality without compromising style. Repurposed items such as vintage craters or industrial pipes add a touch of uniqueness, showcasing the charm of on-cycle design. Novelty holders shaped like animals, trees, or geometric forms inject a playful element into a strap holders for the inside of cabinet doors provide concealed storage, maintaining minimalist look. Furthermore, holders with built-in storage compartment for air fresheners or a spare roll address both convenience and practicality. Ultimately, the diverse range of innovative toilet paper designs. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.